Good morning, everyone. Ethan Stieber here with Stieber Weather Forecasting. Wanted to bring you an update for our forecast for Easter, as well as some severe storm chances that we have early into next week. So let's get started with your Easter forecast first. High temperature is going to be great this weekend if you have any Easter get-togethers or any festivities like that. Weather is going to be just perfect for it. Today, high temperatures are up on the screen right now. Forecast high temperatures for the area look to be right around that 75 to 77 degree mark for most of the area. So today looks to be a really great day if you have any outdoor activities. Pretty windy, but really nice day temperature wise overall. Tomorrow for your Easter Sunday looks to be much of the same story. Temperatures moderate just a couple degrees to where we're hovering right around that 70 degree mark, maybe upper 60s the further north you go. But high temperatures still look to be right around that 70 degree mark and really warm for our Easter Sunday. Now for for our Easter Sunday forecast, we do have to talk about a little bit of a slight chance of some marginal severe weather risk for Sunday afternoon. This doesn't look to be anything major, maybe some damaging winds, possibly some large hail out of this, but again, this is a marginal risk, very low on the severe weather threat scale. So I'll show you what future radar looks like here in a minute for that. Our biggest story we have to talk about, though, is coming up next week. We have a big slight risk across the entire area for Monday. This will be Monday afternoon into Monday evening that we have to watch. Slight risk over the entire area with a large enhanced risk off to our west. And notice if we break it down into the probabilities, again, we're in that 15% risk for severe weather with the 30% risk off west of St. Louis down to points of Oklahoma. Take a little bit closer look. Again, you can see everyone in the area is under that slight risk for severe weather Monday afternoon and into the evening hours. This is all put together by the Storm Prediction Center in Oklahoma. Here's another look. We can see I've used this map a couple times. This is the Colorado State University machine learning probabilities. Basically another severe weather tool that we have to look at for forecasting severe weather. And notice its forecast is here on the left. Again, it would keep us in a majority of a slight risk with the enhanced risk well off to our west. If we break it down into the hazards, the individual hazards that make up this slight risk, again, tornado threat looks to be pretty low at this time. It would be in the marginal risk. Same thing for the hail threat. It would also be in the marginal. Our biggest threat looks to be the damaging wind probability. That's what's driving that 15% risk for our area. Let's time this out for you on future radar. We'll first look at the storms coming in for tomorrow afternoon and into the evening hours. We'll pick this up at noon today on Saturday, March 30th. And as we go into the future, notice it will be pretty gusty, but looks to stay mostly dry for our Saturday. We'll stop this at midnight tonight, and notice our big weather maker here is going to be based on a warm front that'll be lifting through the area, and then we'll be sparking those showers and thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon, and the cold front associated with it will be in tomorrow, or on Monday afternoon and evening rather. So notice our warm front right now is situated right probably just south of that I-64 corridor, and it will be slowly lifting to the north as we go through the overnight hours. So again, midnight tonight, maybe a couple scattered showers and thunderstorms off to our south. Nothing major though out of that. As we go through the morning hours, we'll stop this at 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. Again, maybe some scattered showers and thunderstorms tomorrow morning as you get ready for your Easter services. As we go through midday though, those showers and thunderstorms look to moderate. We'll stop this at noon now, and notice mostly dry skies across the area. Maybe some scattered showers off to our north and west, but pretty well dry for the area. As we go through the later hours, Sunday afternoon and evening, again, that warm front's lifted off to our north at this point, and we could still see some scattered showers across our area, but those look right now to stay a little bit further to our north. So those will stay off to our north as we stop this here at midnight. Sunday night, again, notice all of the main showers and thunderstorm activity is off to our north there. As we go into the day on Monday, though, notice skies will start to clear out before the next round of showers and thunderstorms starts to pick up in intensity, especially off to our west. Remember that enhanced risk. That enhanced risk is really focused in most of central Missouri down into Oklahoma. So, kind of in this blue circle I just drew. So, that's where we'll see showers and thunderstorms fire off first. Again, this is about noon on Monday, and those showers and thunderstorms are pretty prevalent off to areas west of St. Louis. Those will start to work in here as we go through the afternoon and evening hours. If we continue on, now looking at that storm a little bit more specifically for Monday, we'll pick this up at 1 p.m. on Monday. Again, notice those showers and thunderstorms off to our west, and they will start to move into the area as we go through the afternoon and evening hours. And this is about 7 p.m. on Monday evening. Again, maybe some good showers and thunderstorms across the area with that warm front situated somewhere along the I-70 corridor. Not quite sure on that yet. We'll have to see how it pans out as we get closer. Those details will become a little bit more clear. The storms continue to move through the area through the overnight hours and look to be out of here pretty much by Tuesday morning. This is now 7 a.m. Tuesday morning. Most of those scattered showers and thunderstorms are out of the area and off to our north and east. So that's kind of the timing it looks like on this right now. For our Sunday chance of severe weather, best timing I would say would be late afternoon into the early evening hours. And for Monday, much of the same, probably mid to late afternoon and on into the evening hours. Rainfall out of this looks to be pretty healthy. We could see anywhere from 1 to 2 inches across most of the area. Again, this is our future rainfall forecast. This goes out through Wednesday after both little fronts have moved through. And notice, along that US 50 corridor, we could be looking at anywhere between 1.5 to maybe 2 inches of rain. Points a little bit further north, suggests maybe a little bit more than that. So 1 to 2 inches I think is very possible out of this storm system. So that'll be some nice beneficial rain. It'll be some good beneficial rain for everybody starting to get out in the fields. I know we kind of need that dry weather to keep getting out in the fields, but this will help keep the moisture content up. So again, slight chance or a marginal chance of severe weather tomorrow, late afternoon into the evening hours. And again, the bigger story is this slight risk that is in place for Monday afternoon and evening. Stay tuned to the Facebook page. I will keep you updated as more details become clear and as we get closer to the event.